This video demonstrates how to calibrate your SP-910 multi-parameter colorimeter for turbidity. For this procedure, you'll need 50 and 100 NTU turbidity calibration solutions available on our e-store. Start by powering on your SP-910 and navigating to the calibration icon. Select calibration, then navigate and select turbidity. Next, open the shield and insert a sample vial of DI water. Close the shield and press continue. Then, insert a sample vial containing 50 NTU turbidity calibration solution and select continue. A success message will appear. Select continue. Then insert a sample vial containing 100 NTU turbidity solution. Press continue. A success message will appear, and your SP-910 is now calibrated for turbidity.